Hey guys, let's talk about the coconut oil nutrient rich shampoo by Oliology. It is a shampoo that's supposed to restore shine, botanically infused, and best of all, paraben free. All my hair care enthusiasts know that paraben is one of the worst things you can put in your hair, so I'm so glad this comes with no paraben. Can we just talk about this bottle? Apart from being so pretty, the actual nutrient rich shampoo that comes inside is awesome for your hair. It deeply hydrates, repairs damage, and restores vibrancy. The best thing about this is truly the smell. It is a great smelling shampoo. It keeps your hair smelling great after the wash, and it's naturally powered with hair strengthening coconut oil. That's why it smells so good, and botanical extract. I definitely recommend anyone to pick this up. It's lasted me quite a while. It's a big 32 fluid ounce bottle, so definitely recommend for any kind of hair.